Hello people, welcome to my YouTube channel Veterinary Wizard. On this World Rabies Day, we are going to tell you about rabies, that is very common and fatal disease in almost every animal. Worldwide, every year, more than 55,000 people die of rabies. 40% of human deaths are of children under the age of 15. So you must know about rabies. Rabies is a Latin word derived from word rabere, which means to rage or rave. This Latin word, in turn, might find its roots in the Sanskrit word rabas, that means to do violence. The Greeks referred to rabies as lyssa or lytha, which means frenzy or madness. They call human rabies hydrophobia, which is fear of water, which is one of the symptoms shown by human victims. Rabies may be one of the oldest infectious diseases known to man. It has been known since as early as 2000 BC. Now let's start with what rabies is. Rabies is basically a viral infection attacking the central nervous system or brain. Rabies causes inflammation of the brain. This causes pressure on various areas of the brain, resulting in diverse symptoms. It is fatal once clinical signs appear. Here question arises in mind that how rabies can be spread. It is usually spread through the bite or scratch of an infected animal. The saliva of an infected animal contains high concentrations of the virus. When someone comes in contact with the saliva of rabid animal, there are chances of rabies in that person. Who is at the risk of developing this disease? Rabies is a zoonotic disease. This means that it can be transmitted from animals to humans. All mammals can get rabies, but only a few species are important as reservoirs for the disease. Rabies is present in more than 150 countries and territories, and dogs are the source of 99% of human rabies death. Here is the list of animals that can serve as a reservoir of rabies. These are cats, dogs, raccoons, bats, foxes, skunks, and groundhog can cause rabies in mammals and can be in humans. Next is the symptoms that can be present in rabid person. The first symptom can be flu-like, such as general weakness, fever or headache. These symptoms last a few days. There can be an itchy sensation at the bite wound, and within days, symptoms turn into anxiety, confusion, agitation. As the disease spreads, the person may experience delirium, abnormal behavior, hallucinations, and insomnia. Once clinical symptoms of rabies appear, the disease is nearly always fatal and treatment is typically supportive. But there is a good news for all of you, that rabies is 100% preventable. You can prevent rabies by educating others and vaccinating your pets and yourself too. It is a great saying that prevention is better than cure. So you need to do some preventive measures. Here are some of the measures. Be careful and act responsibly around stray animals. Get your pets vaccinated against rabies. Know how to avoid dog bites and learn about dog body language. Next portion is how can you avoid dog biting. When a growling dog approaches you, don't run away. Instead, stand still. Keep your arms down, hands close to your body. Look to the ground. Avoid direct eye contact with the dog. If a dog knocks you over, curl up, lie still, and protect your face with your hands. Last but not the least is if you are bitten by dog, then what will you do? Wash the wound immediately with lots of water and soap. Seek medical attention right away. If you were bitten by a stray dog, report the description of the dog and the location. Explain the situation and mention any abnormalities in the dog's behavior. It's all for today. Hope so this video was quite helpful for you. If you have any question regarding this disease, do mention in comment section. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.